Some people can live in open relationships and the only way you will know is to have a conversation with your partner about it. It's just important to have in mind how different men and women see commitment. Women can easier commit into a long-term relationship, whereas men can have a lot harder time committing and find it strangulation. Simply for the fear only to have sex with one partner for the rest of their lives. Maybe you need to ask yourself how ready you are for a committed relationship or if you are unable to maintain a monogamous relationship. There isn't anything wrong if you aren't ready or can't commit. You just have to be honest with yourself first before you ask your partner. Furthermore, you can't expect your partner to accept it and there's a chance you have to let her go. On the other hand, if you have an eye-to-eye conversation with your partner, there's a chance she could surprise you and be someone who is able to share you, and if she is, you have to take into consideration that she could ask for an open relationship herself. Which you technically can't deny her. Ellipsis. And an idea could be if she is willing to share you, and it's adventure you need that you bring her to a professional swinger club. The reason I'm suggesting this are that professional swinger clubs vets people and have a provision about discrimination. It will give some of the power and trust back to your partner instead of her worrying and becoming paranoid about whom you have sex with, and you could even let her choose who it is.